towers of 4-level podium plus 17 residential floors, out of which only 2 towers are launched as of now and remaining 2 towers are yet to be launched. Now project has studio, 1 BHK and 2 BHK apartments, and total flats in the complex are 900. Now coming to the location part, project is located on Akurli Road, Kandivali East, opposite to Mahindra Yellow Gate, with Kandivali Station 1.6 km, Western Express Highway 650 meters, Groval's Mall 800 meters, and proposed metro station at a distance of 750 meters. Now the amenities, project has got decent amenities, external amenities like yoga center, water fountain, children play area, badminton court, gymnasium, indoor games, water cascade, and many more. Now in case of internal amenities, all flats are unfurnished with basic vitrified flooring and granite platform in the kitchen. Now coming to the parking provision, as I have already told, project has got 4 levels of podium, so the project has all the podium car parkings, and also car parking is optional, it's not mandatory. Now coming to the floor plan analysis, as you can see in the image, project has 4 towers and 6 wings, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, and as of now builder has launched phase 1 with 2 towers having B, C, D wings with studio 281 square feet, 1 BHK 381 and 395 square feet, and 2 BHK 521 and 544 square feet. Now let's analyze each wing. Wing B has 10 flats with 6 lifts and 2 staircase, having 4 flats of 2 BHK 521 square feet. These all 4 flats are Western Express Highway facing. Rest all flats are garden facing with 2 studio flats of 281 square feet, 2 BHK of 544 square feet, and 2 1 BHK of 395 square feet. Here all flats are east-west facing. Also each floor has a separate servant toilet. Now coming to the wing C. Wing C has 4 flats, 2 lifts and a staircase with all 1 BHK of 381 square feet. Here all flats are east-west facing with 2 flats having garden view and other 2 flats having view of the Lokhandwala Kandivali East. Now wing D is similar to wing C with all 1 BHK of 381 square feet. All flats are east-west facing with same view either of garden view or Lokhandwala view. Now coming to the payment and loan scheme. This is the payment structure. One can take maximum loan up to 95% and can book a flat by paying just a down payment of 5%. Project also has got the subvention scheme in which you just need to pay 1% as of now and you can go for 90% loan amount and rest 9% you can pay in between, and all the pre-EMIs till December 2021 or possession, whichever is earlier, will be beared by the builder. Now coming to the possession part, as only first phase is launched, so first phase RERA possession date is December 2020. However, the target possession is December 2021. Now comes to the pros and cons of the project. The pros of the project are excellent connectivity to Western Express Highway and upcoming metro station, as they are hardly, we can say, 5 to 10 minutes walkable distance. Low maintenance cost, as there are not much luxurious amenities like swimming pool या और कोई ऐसी luxurious amenities नहीं है जिसके कारण आपका maintenance cost high हो जाए, but still the project has got decent amenities and low maintenance. And the third is excellent future appreciation, as Mahindra has started shifting their plant from Kandivali East, and now they have planned to develop their this whole layout with, as Mr. Anand Mahindra himself has announced that they will be investing approximately amount of 1700 crores to set up a film-based entertainment center in Kandivali East. So the future valuation of this whole Kandivali East Lokhandwala layout is very good. Now coming to the cons part, approach of the building is a little bit of concern as of now, because on both side of the entrance you will be finding these slums. But yes, definitely in near future all these slums will gone and they will be shifted to a SRA building, but definitely it will take a little bit of time. And not much luxurious amenities, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि इसमें स्विमिंग पूल एंड ऐसी कोई बहुत luxurious amenities नहीं है, but still project has got good decent amenities. Now coming to the builder profile, unique command